guys, this is behind the scenes. And I heard a train coming, so we got a clear signal. So this is behind the scenes in Parkville, Missouri. Okay. And of course, clear signal down here, which you can see. This is all be moving close by new houses. I'll be walking through the train tracks. That's how I want to live. So yeah. If you like this crossing, comment below and subscribe. And hit the like button. Alright, that's for behind the scenes. And I'll be back in a minute. Let's go. Rock on.